Hello everyone. So this is our second video regarding the lesson The Little Girl, and the girl name is Kezia, and she is so much afraid from her father, and that's why this video is telling us what the foundation between parents and children. And this lesson is written by Catherine Mansfield. What Catherine Mansfield wants to give the message, so we are going to read it. So what is the intention of Catherine Mansfield through these lessons? What message she wants to give to us? See, Kezia's father was a busy man. Kezia's father was a busy man and she was afraid of him. Her father would always give her instructions but never made any effort to know what she expected from him. So she wanted to his love and company. He only wanted her to be obedient, disciplined, organized, and a perfect person. As a little girl, she couldn't build up self-confidence to feel free to talk. The entire story moves around her expectations. Yes, you. Kezia's father was a busy man. केजिया के पापा एक बिजी मैन है, और जो लड़की है केजिया वो अपने पापा से डरती है. हर फादर वुड ऑलवेज गिव हर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. उसके पापा उसे हर काम के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस करते रहते हैं. ये काम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना था, ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना था, तुमने कैसे कर दिया. सो बट नेवर मेक एफर्ट. बट वो कभी भी एफर्ट नहीं करते, कोशिश नहीं करते टू नो दैट सी एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम हिम, ये जानने की कि वो बेटी केजिया अपने मम्मी पापा से, अपने पापा से क्या चाहती है. उसने कभी कोशिश नहीं की. सी वॉन्टेड हिज लव एंड कंपनी. जो लड़की केजिया है वो अपने पापा से अब पापा का प्यार और उसका साथ चाहती है. ही ओनली वॉन्टेड हर टू बी ओबीडियंट. बट वो क्या चाहता है, वो चाहता है कि मेरी बेटी केजिया जो है ओबीडियंट रहे, डिसिप्लिन रहे, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रहे और परफेक्ट एक पर्सन बनी रहे. एज ए लिटिल गर्ल सी couldn't build up self confidence to feel free to talk. और उस लड़की में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं होता कि वह अपने पापा से, अपने मम्मी से खुल के बातें कर सके. The entire story moves around her expectations, and that girl has an expectations and was unable to complete her expectations. The story tells us that there is a very strong bond between parents and children. The bond has the strength to survive every type of challenge. However, in order to prepare their little children for the hardships of adult life, parents resort to strict punishment, and it is difficult for children to understand the true motive behind the strict action of their parents. Yes, parents need to punish their children when it is necessary to do so, and when children who have been punished exceedingly too much or too less undergo poor development. As a result, they develop negativity. Therefore, the story gives a message to both the children and the parents. Children should trust their parents, and parents should understand that physical punishment can leave emotional scars that hamper the growth of a balanced personality of their child. However, as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elders undergoes change. The theme of the story is based on the process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of the overtly strict elder. Show the responsibility to strengthen the parents-child bond rest equally on both मम्मी और पापा, बच्चे और पेरेंट्स, दोनों के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि एक रिलेशन किस तरह से, एक अच्छा रिलेशन कैसे बने. तो ये दोनों के ऊपर, बच्चों के ऊपर भी और पेरेंट्स के ऊपर भी. अगर पेरेंट्स किसी बच्चे की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, बच्चा क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है, एंड yes a child is not free to talk with parents, so what is that? So we have to fill up that gap, we have to maintain that gap, we have to try our best to come closer with our children, to come closer with our parents. So when we will be together with parents and parents will be together with children, then they will grow, they will development, and they will be happy. And when they will be happy, so they will do the things in a perfect way. Sure, this is also important, to rebuke the child. If we are not rebuking the child, then child will, yes, you destroy all the things. Sure, it is necessary to rebuke the child, to scold the child, but it has a limit. Without limit, we should not cross the limit. We have to take care of children in all sense, and we have to make a very good foundations with our children, with our parents. So this was the video regarding the little girl, and in that little girl lesson, Kezia, a girl, Kezia is telling us what? Through Kezia Mansfield, Catherine Mansfield, give a message to society, give a message to us that we should consider, we should understand about our parents. Our parents never think negative about ourselves. They always think positive ourselves. And our parents are not so hard with us, but they show the things that they are strict, but in reality they are not strict. They are very soft for us. So that's what was. So that was the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.